Hello and welcome to ET Energy World. This is Muhammad Bilal bringing you the weekly podcast. In today's podcast, I list three important stories to discuss. We start with the UP power sector story where 1 crore consumers have pending arrears to clear. Oil Minister Dharmendra Pradhan launching a trial run of Delhi's buses on hydrogen blended CNG. And at last, we talk about Vestas keen on expanding its business in India. We start with the UP Power Distress story. UPPCL chairman Mr. Arvind Kumar on Thursday revealed that over 1 crore people in UP have not paid their dues since the date of connection. This makes up more than 38% of people with uncleared dues. Kumar said that out of a consumer base of 2.83 crores, 1.09 crore of consumers have not paid their bills and about 96% of these defaulters are from rural areas. The amount recoverable from these people is more than 68,000 crores. In the Purvanchal Discom alone, more than 43 lakh connections are uncleared and more than 3.78 lakh consumers with pending arrears of more than 1 lakh. This is closely followed by Madhyanchal comprising Lucknow, Devipatan and Ayodhya zones where 33.45 lakh consumers have not paid their bills since getting a connection. Lucknow zone alone accounts for around 11 lakh such consumers. Next, we talk about Dharmendra Pradhan launching the trial run of Delhi's buses on hydrogen blended CNG. Pradhan inaugurated Indian Oil's Reforma plant and launched the much awaited trial run of Delhi's buses on hydrogen blended CNG HCNG at the Rajghat bus depot of the Delhi Transport Corporation. He said that providing energy supplies is the topmost priority of the government. He added that hydrogen is the ultimate fuel which, while giving energy, produces clean water. At last, we talk about Vestas keen on expansion of its business in India. Vestas is initiating its business activities citing the improved business conditions in the wind market. Earlier, unprofitable business conditions prevented the company from taking new orders. Many wind turbine manufacturers, both domestic and global, felt that the tariffs reached in Indian wind auctions are too aggressive and the margins are too low. According to the company, in the last 2 years, Vestas has installed 1 gigawatt turbines and its favor of expanding its footprint in India in the future. Thanks, and this is all we have in today's episode of podcast. Keep watching this space for more. Thank you.